Hi, I'm Charles de Saint-Remy. I'm the Odigo evangelist of Capgemini. If you're using Salesforce, it's because you want to manage your customers with a unified solution. So, how do you manage the voice? This is where Odigo comes in. Odigo is the voice of Salesforce. It's an integrated cloud contact solution that brings advanced CTI, IVR, ACD, and recording all in the cloud. So if you're a contact center agent or manager, you have a common user interface for all aspects of customer management. Let me show you what I'm talking about. As a contact center agent, I need to enter my login and a password, and I will be automatically identified into both Salesforce and Odigo. So in the console mode, the Odigo console is on the right of the screen. Let me just move it right here so you can see it. So the solution is cloud. So I can enter here any phone number on which I wish to receive my call. This could be a soft phone number, a mobile phone number, a landline phone number, any phone number. So of course, if you're in a home office, you could connect to the Odigo contact center. I could also choose different skills and different skill models here. The calls I will receive will be related to the skills I've entered here. As you can see on the Odigo console, I am now available to take a call. At any time, I can control my availability by selecting the right status here. If I want to take a lunch break, I will automatically be disconnected from the Odigo contact center. As soon as I am selected as the best available agent, a screen pop with all the contact information is displayed. So let's have a close-up look at the Odigo console. Here you can see the status of the agent who is in communication. This is the duration of the call. Here you can see information that we gathered from the Odigo IVR. And on the bottom of the console here, you have different telephony features. You have the possibility, for example, to transfer a call. We have different types of transfer with Odigo: cold, warm, or hot transfer. You have the possibility also to put the call on hold. You could also resume the call to get back in conversation. And finally, you can trigger a recording of the call. Now, as an agent, you might need to send during the conversation or after the conversation a message to your customer. By clicking on SMS here, as you can see, you have the possibility of choosing between various templates that are all defined into Salesforce and send an SMS to your customer. Of course, the SMS is logged into Salesforce. By clicking on here, you also have the possibility of scheduling a callback. You might need time to find the correct answer for your customer. You can organize a callback with either yourself, an agent of the contact center, or a skill. After hanging up the call, it's wrap-up time. So I'm going to find all the information related to the call right there into Salesforce. Salesforce created a new task. It's an inbound call. I can find the agent the call was assigned to, the subject of the call. I'll find also the start time, the end time, the duration, call ID, the phone number of the IVR that was dialed by the customer, and the skill that was used by the customer. I can even add some comments on the call. I'll then save all this task, and the task will be recorded into and related to the customer's contact information. So if I go in the activity history here, you'll find the call that just happened. The click to dial feature is also available with Odigo. Every time you could see in Salesforce a phone number with a little green phone on the right here, you can click on the phone number and a call will automatically be dialed and put in contact the customer with the agent. As a call center manager, I want to supervise my call center in real time. I want to see what's happening. And I also want to take some actions. I'm going to go on top of the screen here and choose Supervision. And what you'll see here is some real-time metrics around what's happening in the call center. I can see all my agents here, if their status, if they're available, logged in, or having a break. I can also choose between various templates, various views to see what's happening. For example, I can have a global view with lots of metrics, or have a more precise view with less metrics. At any time, I could also decide to add a metric here if I want to change the view. Odigo has over 300 metrics, so you can really have the view and the KPIs you want. As a call center manager, I also want to take some actions. I can trigger 3 types of actions right from Salesforce. Firstly, I could decide to record the call of an agent. Secondly, I could change the status of my agent if I want him to take a break. Finally, I could have a silent monitoring, a barge in, if I want to listen to a conversation without being noticed. Now, if you're a call center manager, you might sometimes need to take a walk or wander around the contact center. In that case, all your information, your supervising information, is also available right there in your mobile, in Salesforce One. As a call center manager, I also want to have KPI dashboards and activity reports. Everything that's happening around the voice channel and the SMS channel is all available into the Salesforce dashboards. Now, if you go here on the upper left part of the screen and you go into dashboards, you can find six pre-configured Odigo dashboards, which of course you can personalize with Odigo metrics. Thank you for watching this video. As you can see, with Odigo and Salesforce, you have a common user interface to manage all your customer interactions. Now, if you want to know more, please don't hesitate to contact us. Bye.